This is the brand new Insta360 X5 camera. I got the setup bundle which comes with the Insta360 X5 8K action camera, an extra battery, a standard lens card, and one 14cm invisible selfie stick. We are about to unpack this camera, which is an IP68 waterproof rating and can go as deep as 15 meters underwater.
So
It's time
this
to see what's in the box, and later we will be updating it to the latest firmware before we can take it to the road. The X5 is more sturdy and more ergonomic than the previous models. Being a 360 camera, it comes with upgraded dual lenses which are bigger and better. The camera feels simple
now
but very
this is the
pocket friendly
battery.
and
On
solid.
this side is the battery. This also is where the SD card is. Let's see.
Let's slide these clicks to remove the Insta360
This is the
battery.
battery.
Under the battery pocket is the memory card slot. Battery has a capacity of 2400 mAh, capable of charging from 0 to 80% in 20 minutes. When full, it has a battery life of 208 minutes. At the back of the camera where the logo sits, the Insta360 X5 has a wind guard for
Now
clearer audio. Let's look at the battery comparison between the Insta360 X3 and the Insta360 X5. While the X3 has a capacity of 1800 milliamperes, the X5 has a capacity of 2400 milliamperes. When it comes to the cameras, check out how the X5 has a bigger screen and lenses compared to the X3. The texture of the two cameras also feels different. The X5 feels more sturdier in appearance and texture than the X3. Let's look at what's in this box. Some manuals, Insta360 reusable wind guard cleaners, warranty, and some guides. This is the shutter button. This is the menu button. This is the power button. Quick search menu button. The USB-C slot. Some microphones and speaker. Let's see what's in this other box. We have a protective bag for the camera. And in the back, we get a USB-C cable. This starter bundle I got comes in an extra battery with its case. This switches things up to 416 minutes of shooting without any fear of a dying battery. In the starter bundle, you also get a standard lens card with a lens card and two guards, with each guard for each lens. Then install the guards to see how they look. These guards offer more protection to the camera. I can now go all out. The USB-C slot on the X5 is in a different position to the X3. When it comes to attachment of selfie sticks, the X5 offers more attachable options compared to the X3. Now that we are done with unboxing, it's time to power on the camera and set it up. To use the Insta360 camera, we first register it through the Insta360 application by following the procedure on the screen, which includes connecting the camera to the application, updating the firmware, and finally connecting the camera with the Insta360 account we just created or we have. After completing setup, you again power up the camera and quickly go through the settings menu, which is neat. Different shooting modes with different resolution and manual calibrations for the camera are available. In the Insta360, you can use the inner camera, the outer camera using the single lens, or the 360 camera using the 360 lens. The Insta360 X5 shoots true 8K 360 plus high dynamic range HDR to balance highlights and shadows. The flow-state stabilization is smooth even when you're moving. The in-app application allows for total control, including AI framing, slow motion, time-lapse, and live streaming capabilities. The menu is full of settings to assist make light work of any recording. With time, we'll go through the camera in detail, but I have to say that the X5 offers solid build, top-tier stabilization, ultra-high res capture, and a powerful app to capital. Whether you are a creator or a vlogger, this could be your next gear upgrade. Drop a comment with your questions and don't forget to like and follow for the full test footage, where we'll be using the Insta360 X5 invisible stick while shooting the videos and doing tests. To get one of these cameras, use my affiliate link in the video description to support me. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.